With your Exacq recorder, you can simply and efficiently connect multiple cameras out of the box, giving you high-quality video surveillance and recording in a few short minutes. We'll demonstrate this with an Exacq LC series recorder as shown. The recorder is currently unconnected and unpowered. First of all, we'll simply connect the power cable, the monitor VGA cable, an Ethernet network cable, and the input mouse and keyboard USBs. The Exacq is now ready to be switched on. Let's start the stopwatch as we power up. This particular recorder has 8 PoE ports, but the Exacq LC series is also available with 16 PoE ports. The Exacq client has a PoE configuration page which shows the power budget, the power taken by particular cameras, and also gives the option to power cycle the cameras, which can save rolling a truck. Power up is complete and the client is now running, so we can add our cameras. First of all, we'll add 2 Illustra Mini Dome cameras via Ethernet cables into PoE ports 1 and 2. A PoE ports page pop-up appears, which we will view to see the cameras connecting. When connecting, the PoE shows as amber. When connected, it turns green. The cameras came out of the box with DHCP mode as the default, which would be the case for most new cameras, and are therefore given an IP address via DHCP on the recorder. We'll also add a camera which is on the network, simply by navigating to Add IP Cameras. This camera is an axis, so we will select that from the drop-down and simply enter the IP address. The username and password fields are already populated for us by the recorder. When we press Apply, the camera connects. By going to the surveillance screen, we can now drag in the cameras we wish to view. Here we see the axis and the 2 Illustras. That's our cameras added and recording in just a few minutes. That's Exacq.